I'm Joe Kelley, host of Orlando's Morning News on News 96.5 WDBO, and welcome to Joe on the Go for Inside Central Florida. And I got to tell you, I'm really excited about this month's Joe on the Go because I'm going to show you some of the best art that we have publicly on display, but I'm going to focus on one genre. You see this mural behind me, right? And as you've been driving around Orlando, you have no doubt seen murals. There are more than 65 of these giant building-sized murals that are painted all across the Orlando area. And I have mapped every single one of them and put together an interactive map so that you and your family and your kids and your tourists, the friends from out of town, anybody, can find each of these 65 plus murals. There's new ones going up all the time. Now, of course, you could drive around to all 65 different mural locations, but what I would suggest you do is break it down into different areas. Find yourself one of these bike share racks and pedal your way around. Hit me up at Talk Radio Joe or go to the Inside Central Florida Facebook page and you'll be able to find that link there with all of these murals and their locations.
Inside Central Florida, your source for events, theme park news, local eats, and more, streaming 24/7 on the WFTV Now app on your TV.